Hello guys, Friday, 3rd of February 2023. Welcome to my channel, Crypto Nights. My name is Pat and I'm the host of today's video. If you're like me and you are interested in the latest news and trends in the crypto world, you are in the right place. First of all, a disclaimer. The opinion expressed in this video are not a financial advice, neither a investment advice. The content is of this video is provided for informational purposes only. I do my research so I can bring to you the latest and hottest news from the crypto and financial space. Okay, so let's dive right into this shit. First news, which is Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell announces interest rates going up and most likely new, smaller hikes ahead. Let me bring you a paragraph. So, Reuters reports that on 1st February, Federal Reserve said that it had turned the key corner in the fight against high inflation. But that victory would still require its benchmark overnight interest rate to be increased further and remain elevated at least through 2023. In announcing its latest policy decision, the US central bank scaled it back to a quarter percentage point rate increase after a year of large hikes and swept aside in its statement the long list of reasons, from war to pandemic, that were driving prices higher, to say simply that inflation has eased. Well, guys, drop the topic. Drop the link in the chat box. Have a look. What I'm thinking is, yes, they announced on Wednesday this week. So that was 1st February 2023. And that they had concluded its fight against high inflation. However, that will require benchmark overnight interest rate to be increased further and remain elevated throughout 2023. Well, they didn't mention in this article, but they raised the interest rates over 25 basis points, which is quite high. Guys, everything what we were saying in 2020 happening now, and it's coming very, very fast. As we are heading into quarter 3 this year, we're probably going to see a massive pullback on the jobs around the world, because it's not going to happen only in the USA. It will come all over the world. It will spread like a disease. So it started in USA, but then all the banks will follow. Everything will follow. So what we see in is basically a middle class getting wiped out, and leverage shorts the technology. Middle class will be done to they will be degraded basically to a working class. At this moment, we're seeing people living paycheck to paycheck, and it will get worse. Now, middle class will join as well, and eventually become a poor class, working class, and we'll start seeing displacements of jobs at this point. Just like Mr. Powell said, we are coming back to a new economy after the Seaward event that took place around 2 years ago, and it lasted for about 1.5 years. It's going to be 3 years now. Actually, 2023, beginning of 2020. So we're going to see definitely a cost of goods getting expensive. Businesses that was lending money over the last 2-3 years, we go bust. Everything will finish. We won't be able to borrow money that easily. Definitely, it will be a lot harder. It is harder now. Banks stop lending the money, increasing the mortgages rates. Profits will be pulled out, and dollar will go down definitely. That old mom and pop business we know for so long, it is done basically. It is crashed to its knees. Doesn't exist at the moment. If you don't innovate in this new technology, if you don't understand how this is affecting and recreating your business, that this is the way we are heading, and you don't understand that this is the way how people communicate, that ads and communication are done on social media, you perish. Basically, you perish. You need to jump into this technology. Otherwise, as I mentioned, everything is moving into blockchain, AI technology, money moving at the speed of sound. If you will resist another 20, 30 years of your life will be a nightmare, basically. But if you embrace and understand that changes always happen, no matter what, then you are on a winning position, and that's a possible change in yours and your family life if you embrace it and follow it. Next news are about Coinbase to release the XRP Ripple. Back in December 2020, when the United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) launched its first $13 billion lawsuit against Ripple Labs Incorporated, many exchanges delisted the XRP coin, and between amongst them was Coinbase as well. Another paragraph says, as one of the foremost crypto trading platforms that trade public on the Nasdaq, Coinbase did all it could to avoid finding itself in SEC crosshair by supporting XRP trades while its status as a security remains unclear. Let me drop the link. Have a look or research the topic. Let me know what you think in the comments. So Coinbase to release XRP Ripple. So Coinbase is a leading cryptocurrency exchange, has decided to release XRP, a popular digital asset, and on its platform. This means XRP Ripple will once again be available for trading and purchasing on Coinbase. The exact date of the releasing and other details have not been announced yet. But Coinbase has released XRP delisted XRP back in December 2020, as I mentioned at the beginning of the article. XRP token can be used to send money and payments quickly and easily around the world with low transactions fees. So that's basically on-demand liquidity, one of their products, Ripple products, ODL, and it is a future of payments. So eyes wide open, guys. Follow, see what's going on. Let me know your opinion in the comments in the chat box. Happy to hear any opinions. Last news are about VeChain and announcing his new major partners will take the digital ecosystem to a next level. This is great news, guys. On Wednesday, 1st of February, blockchain project VeChain announced the launch of Hive, a sustainability and Web3 focused IRL event scheduled for the next month of March 2023. So guys, interesting news of VeChain. If for some of you who don't know, VeChain is a global blockchain-based platform that is designed to exchange the supply chain management process. It is designed to improve traceability and transparency, provide data security, and reduce the cost of doing business. VeChain is currently being used in a variety of industries, such as retail, logistic, and automotive. As of today, VAT is one of the leading providers of blockchain-based enterprise solutions. At this moment, VeChain market cap is around $1.7, $1.8 trillion. A purchase price of a VeChain token, which is VTOR or VT, is at 0.025 pence. So it's around 2 pence, something like that, 2.5 pence. Last month, you can check one of my earlier videos. I mentioned about it last month. We heard that VeChain went into a collaboration with United Nations to help achieve the 17 Sustainable Development Goals established by UN. Sustainability, that's the word, that's the key word we're going to hear in the future. Many businesses, many nations joining basically they reuniting under this sustainable development goals. As of 2 days ago, so on Wednesday, 1st of February 2023, VeChain Foundation announced the launch of the Hive, HIVE, event that will focus on serving communities across Web3 spaces and the ones related to sustainability initiatives. Follow the white rabbit, guys. Follow the white rabbit. That's the thing coming in the next years, sustainability. So first event, the Hive event, will take place on March the 4th, 2023 in San Francisco. And it is very interesting event. I would like to take a part of it. Unfortunately, I cannot too far. But for the people who's going to be joining, there is interesting rewards provided if you're going to be physically there on the event itself. Let me drop a link in the comment box. Have a look, guys. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much for listening to my news. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a lovely weekend. Peace.